Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Hicksville, Ohio, and home of Nemco Food Equipment. For nearly 50 years, Nemco has been best known for being an innovator of new equipment solutions that make the otherwise labor-intensive preparation of signature menu items faster and more cost-efficient. In addition to its flagship food prep equipment line, Nemco continues to develop, manufacture, and market other countertop solutions in hot dog cooking equipment, food merchandising equipment, and food warming equipment, along with its line of ovens, toasters, induction ranges, waffle and cone bakers, and much more. As a third-generation family-owned business, Nemco is focused on growth. In recent years, they have added a warehouse and assembly facility in Phoenix, Arizona, to better supply customers in the western part of the U.S. Currently, Nemco is also expanding its manufacturing location in Ohio, giving more capacity for the in-demand American-quality products that they produce. Since the day Nemco developed an equipment prototype per the unique request of its first food service customer in the early 1980s, the company has been a market-driven manufacturer. Nemco continues to be a partner to key customers by collaborating on new product development needs and customized solutions. Nemco's customers represent some of the most successful brands and chains in restaurant food service, food retail, convenience store service, concessions, and other food industry niche segments. And through its Quality Redefined initiative, Nemco is placing an even higher value on customer feedback for the role it plays in Nemco's continuous product and service improvement. Visit Nemco today at nemcofoodequip.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.